All right, hello, everyone. Before we get started, I just want to take a moment and say, I'm very proud of how much work everyone's doing, how everyone's staying attentive, checking with the attendance. Uh, we're really rising to the challenge. So, good job, folks. So, on to today's assignment. So, first, though, actually, there's a couple things. So, for today's assignment, you're going to complete the attached doc on these seven developments. For attendance, make sure you turn it in. On Schoology, it'll be open for redos for mini unit 11 only from 8 a.m. till 12. And also, you're going to see a new grading system in Genesis. This is to keep track of how much of an assignment you completed. This will not be for every assignment, but some of the assignments we're going to use this system. And it's to help you, me, your parents and guardians all be aware of what work or how much work is getting completed. Because let's face it, sometimes in class, or frequently in class, there are things that aren't graded, but we still accomplish work. So what this you see in Genesis is a check plus plus means you completed 80 to 100% of the work. A check plus means you completed 60 to 79% of the work. A check is 40 to 59% of the work. A check minus is 20 to 39% of the work. A check minus minus is 1 to 19% of the work is completed. And if you didn't do anything, it'll simply be missing. If you see an assignment with this check system in, it won't impact your marking period grade. As for the assignment for today, we'll open up this doc and give a little explanation of what you're going to be doing. So we're coming to the end of the first half of the 20th century. So we're looking from 1945 to 1950, and there are seven key developments that occurred from 1900 to 1950 that we want to explore. So what you'll do is you'll click on each of these links, and then you'll rank the developments from most impactful at number 1 to least impactful at number 7. Then we have a question here: which area of the world was impacted the most? Consider all of the factors above. So we're looking for an area, a region of the world that was impacted the most by these developments. All right. And our third question is compare the growth of population to the growth of the domestic product. If the growth of the GDP is consistent with the growth in population, explain your answer. Is the growth of the GDP consistent with the growth of population? And what gross domestic product is, it is a rough number of how much a country has produced measured in dollars. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Many of you have, and I'd like to encourage everyone to continue doing that. And I hope everyone else is doing as best we can with all this that's going on. Uh, and that is all for now. Take care and goodbye.